Hello friends, I am back with my monthly analysis of all India installed capacity in megawatt. This time I am going to talk about the installed capacity for the month of May 2021 that is available on public domain on the sites of CA. If you look at the table I have shown here in the very first picture, you can see I have given the mode wise breakup. There are basically 5 regions: northern region, western region, southern region, eastern region, northeastern regions, and islands. Now, if you look at the different modes of generating system available in India, it is thermal, nuclear, hydro, renewable energy sources. And in thermal itself, it has 4 parts: coal, lignite, gas, diesel. And in case of renewable energy, it has again 4 small parts: small hydro, wind, biopower, solar, etc. Now come to the point where about the total installed capacity of May. If you look at the figure, it is 3,83,373.68. Now we are going to talk about percentage of various sources to the total installed capacity. If you look at the pie chart here, the percentage of thermal to that of total installed capacity is 61.2%. For nuclear it is 1.78%. For hydro it is 12.05, whereas for the renewable it is 24.95. Contribution of various sources of thermal. If you look at the coal, it contributes 86.34%, lignite 2.8, gas 10.6, and diesel 0.2%. Coming next to my new part of contribution of various sources of renewable. If you look at the pie chart and the table, small hydro contribute 5%, wind contribute 41.23%, biopower contribute 10.8, and solar contribute 42.95%. Important figure to note: 42.95 out of the total contribution of renewable resources to the total installed capacity in India. The same has been depicted in the pie chart. Time to do the comparison with respect to the last month, April 2021, because we are talking about May 21. We are going to compare it with 21 April. That is comparison region wise. If you look at the northern regions, it is slightly high, 0.21%, western region 0.35, southern 0.04, eastern region has gone on downward side, it is minus 0.23, and northeastern region 0.31, and islands no change, it is same. And total change, if you look at the total percentage change, 0.17. Percentage comparison of various sources to the total installed capacity with respect to April and May. Total installed capacity variation with respect to April and May for various sources. In case of thermal, it is minus 0.10. In case of nuclear, it is same, no change. In case of hydro, it is again minus 0.02. For renewable, it is 0.13 plus side. Percentage comparison of various renewable resources. If you look at a small hydro, it has gone in the negative direction, it has reduced by 0.0002%. Similarly, wind has also reduced by 0.00899%. Biopower has increased slightly, and solar has also increased slightly by 0.135%. And if you look at the total contribution percentage change, it is negligible. It is almost 0.32% for solar, and for bio it is in negative 0.04, for wind it is negative 0.2, and for small hydro it is 0.0339. This was total comparison for all the resources available. We will continue our series for total installed capacity analysis and information. Next time we will be covering June 2021 and we will be comparing it with May 2021. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir.